We're back on this Chevy Trailblazer today, and I guess the other day when I posted a YouTube short, and I also posted it on the Instagram Reels, what was wrong with this thing, and I asked what you guys thought was wrong, and I got a lot of feedback. Some of it was probably someone that had no clue what these parts were called, was telling me that I didn't sound very educated and I should probably put my screwdriver down and go find a different job. So I went on Google and I educated myself now, so I guess I'll redo the video. So stay tuned. Contact! So earlier I'd said this bolt was loose, so I don't think I called that a thing. But this bolt is loose. This is the lower control arm. This is the outer tie rod. That's loose. The inner tie rod is also loose. We've got a wheel bearing that's loose. We got a bolt coming out of the wheel bearing there. That's not a thing. This is not a thing, and that's not a thing. This is all this, you know, all these parts have names. You know, I guess that's very important to people. So we've got, yeah, bolt for the lower control arm's loose. I don't think that one's loose. But we have a outer tie rod end, inner tie rod end, that's loose. And then if you come over on the other side, this thing, this strut up here is broke. That's not a thing, it's a strut. Right there, it's broke. And then this thing here, this, now I forgot what that thing's called. This sway bar link is loose. You know, that's not a thing either. So that's loose. Yeah, got a lot of loose parts here. But in all seriousness, I think what happened here, I think we had a failure of the strut and it was not repaired. Things came loose. And with enough time and enough jarring, things came loose, and this is what happens. So I'm also trolling you guys now, so hope you feel better that you told me to go find another job. I've been doing this for quite a while. I don't think that you're gonna see me going anywhere. Sorry about your luck. Thanks for watching.